Hello viewers, today, we'll show you how to submit a self-billed e-invoice through Payment Voucher using SQL Accounting software. If your supplier cannot provide an e-invoice to support the expenditure such as individuals, foreign suppliers, or other applicable cases, you can issue a self-billed e-invoice on their behalf. Here is a scenario. Your company is renting a property from Alice, who is an individual and not conducting a business. As she is unable to issue an e-invoice, you are required to submit a self-billed e-invoice through a payment voucher for your expense record. Let's begin. First, ensure that the classification code is entered correctly. Go to the More panel and make sure the general supplier information in the billing part is filled in. Under the My Invoice part, make sure the submission type is set to self-billed. You can fill in the supplier's TIN number. If the supplier provides an NRIC, the ID type can be set to NRIC, and the TIN number can be selected as General Public. Next, select My Invoice and click on Submit e-invoice. This action will submit your e-invoice through the API to the LHDN server. Within 2 seconds, the e-invoice will be validated by LHDN. Once validated, you will see a green tick status, and a unique UUID will be generated for the e-invoice. Finally, you can print the payment voucher with the e-invoice QR code. And that's it. We've successfully completed an e-invoice submission. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.